Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change a blade on a Porter cable 20 volt battery operated jigsaw. First thing for safety, we're going to lock it and take the battery out. And all there is to this is this trigger right here. We're going to pull up on it and the blade will actually come right out nice and easy. And this is a T-shank because of the T shape at the top here. That's the one we're looking for. Some of them have U-shank, but this particular model is T. So always make sure you match up your new blade with the type of shank it is. You can't interchange U and T shank. However, you can interchange brands, such as this Bosch right here, or DeWalt, is able to go into Porter cable as long as you have the right shank. And all we're going to do to load the new one, there's this little disc right here, and that's where the blade is going to go up inside right here. So I'll show you from both sides. From the bottom, we're going to slide it in like that, so it has to line up with that wheel. And I'll show you from the side. All you do is you lift up and you slide in, and it shouldn't be able to come out. So just make sure again, lines up with your little wheel right here, and then it's locked nicely. And then when you're done, you're gonna put your battery back in, turn it back on by unlocking it, and there you go. That's all there is to it. Hopefully this was helpful, and please like and subscribe.